Here's the app called YN Interactive Stories. Quite a popular app for fan fiction chats. So this is not just a chatting app. This is the app where you can play a character in a story. Be a boarding school transfer student, get the boys for or whatever, figure out a jailbreak with Sherlock Holmes. So you write the story and you participate in it. Interactive fanfics, super addictive app. Your choices change the story and how characters feel about you. So no two playthroughs are the same. Play interactive romance, drama, fanfiction, mysteries. Discover 1 million plus stories. Download YN and try for yourself. So you can just open it up, and here you see this. So you just kind of enter it here. I don't know, you can just message and then just participate. So here you can see the description. Pretty cool, quite addictive. And then you can see narration. And then you just participate in this kind of group chat / story. And yeah, kind of, you need to get back to it, but like you need to understand it deeper, but you can also write your own story in here. The activity, then there is your profile. Haptics, delete an account, edit profile, manage subscription, no subscription found, no past purchases. If you want, you can upgrade 1 month, $15, 1 week, $5. And then you can just tap plus, there are notifications, there's your profile. And that's kind of the idea. So yeah, super easy minimalistic app, great to use. Check it out. And yeah, it's, as you can see, it's getting in the top charts, but it's in the books category for some reason. So there you have it.